This is not a game.
Not that I play pretty boy characters, I play bad guys, but still, bad guys can have good hair. Hello, my name is Greg Bryk, and I have come to Hermest Clinic in Turkey. Turn back the hands of time and get some hair. I've been thinking about getting this done for years as sort of my hair has receded, and I felt okay about it. It's not like I hated my hair, it was a part of aging, but then it got to a point where I realized that either I would do this procedure or I was gonna have to shave my head. Price is very reasonable compared to what you pay in North America, and so I started to look into it. Istanbul's it's a world-renowned city, it's gorgeous, it's got so much history and it's huge. And then today was the sort of cleanup day, so maybe I'll see a little bit of the city. A good friend of my wife who had brought her daughter here on a family trip years ago, and just how warm and accommodating all the people were and how friendly and how lovely. She recommended a whole bunch of things that I should see and do. Apparently great shopping for men, places to see, historical sites, but unfortunately it was just a quick in, get the job done, get out trip this time. I'm getting picked up at the airport. The car was lovely and clean, and the driver was very nice. The hotel was great. The team here was very accommodating and welcoming. They let me know everything that was going to happen ahead of time. The procedure itself took a while, as it's supposed to, but the team was great. They try to find out sort of what are the reputable clinics and do some research and try to figure that out. It was still a bit of a leap of faith, even though you guys have sort of had articles written up in various publications, and there's a great element of trust to coming here because you don't know. Until you get here, you don't know. And I researched sort of the people involved here as much as you could, but it still is a leap of faith. You know, I wanted it to look good because it's my livelihood. Not that I play pretty boy characters, I play bad guys, but still, bad guys can have good hair.